in the process of doing the unburdening, there are a couple steps. So I'm asking this exiled part first to, if we stay with Tamala, to let her know what happened and how bad it was in the past, where it's stuck, where it's frozen. And she would see scenes and have a lot of emotion maybe. And when the part finally felt fully witnessed, I would say to Tamala, I want you to go into that scene and be with her in the way she needed somebody at the time. And are you there? Yeah, I'm there. Okay. Ask this part what it wants you to do for her or with her back there. And this is what we call the redo. And Tamala might see, she might go to the perpetrator and yell at him or beat him up or, do something, whatever the little girl wants her to do. We have happened in the past. And there is something about that feels restorative also. Yeah. Because, there's this line, you can't change the past, you can just move on. It turns out in this inner world, and I'm sure you know this, in this inner world, you can change the past. Because when she does that for the little girl, it literally changes that little girl's experience of what happened. And that's very rebalancing of things.
I love that. I love both of what you said. It's very beautiful. And I'm absolutely convinced that we can change the past. And that we update those parts in us with the current present moment. It's like there's an update and then they can develop.
That's right.